giving Tony Miranda a big, warm, Royal Caribbean welcome.
Thank you so much. It's an honor for me to Angelica. Senior training. Experience. What are the requirements? You as a person. Harapin natin sila.
That experience to
Because the self-clarity,
the finishing touches of our packaging.
in creating adjective and then highly fluent professionalism, is it rigid, is it stiff, or to just respect is being polite and being ethical. If I was not as formational, will happen. No challenge. Okay? That's how we want you to feel. Who you are. Get tips on how to teach them. Following is the one. So we're able to remember somehow. And be a force for what? So executive presence is the quality of a leader that what? You have that, that's inner, then we need to have like a best insight, so the provide the full set from that is the quality here. At least, okay, for all those levels. Because we trust the advertisement. Alright, so it's like the colors of the daylight. So, you know, also, you have to include some lady mark or just no, the extra chicken. Alright. Love it. Okay. Susunod. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Lower. Hirapan. That we're doing now, all this. Paano mo mag-dosing or be like? Very good. Color from your shoe. 5 to 5'4", right? At least we know now. We're buying.
Standing up.
And then, lagyan na lang ng konting. We love this, guys?
Well, good.
Because now we're learning sana, diba? We're now, like, looking at the nation that speaks authority.
Her skirt is definitely very bold.
Kasi even the texture of this is something that's better. At least you get used to it. Kasi mula OA muna sa bahay, let's say your shorts speak louder than words. That's the power.
For your outfit because it cuts your body length.
That's something that I would keep in mind. Also,
Patterns, other clothes, like specifically if you are wearing something that has a big.
We are also like that theme, then we can wear textured or at least heavyweight. And that demands attention and respect. And authenticity. Door. So shoes. Alright, so thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be your teacher today. And thank you also for giving me a chance to be me. Salamat sa respeto sa Joe. But more than that, I'm so excited to see you apply all what we have discussed today on day 2.
Kabayo. I'm so sorry, Jim. Ring. Lydia's. You said, Dom de Jesus. Jeffrey. Hannah and Pleo.
Everything that you have taught us today and to add to our learning. We appreciate it. And we are going to become loyal followers of you. Watching the YouTube video and watching the YouTube video. And there was one thing that I learned from you today. You said, bloom where you're planted. My trainees, but I've never said it that way. But I just love that phrase because that phrase really encapsulates what I've been trying to tell you.
In a couple of weeks.
Right?
Royal to Royal.